Hi, welcome to back my channel VGR tutorial. Hi, welcome to back my channel VGR Learn. Hi, welcome to back everyone my channel VGR Learning channel. Learn. The today topic is the ChatGPT AI and creativity. The first one is the brainstorming ideas. Brainstorming ideas. Then click paste. Then click. This is mind mapping, scramming, crazing, and brain writing, stubbling the YouTube video ideas, business ideas, app ideas, content ideas, productivity ideas, AI project ideas is given. Thus, another option is think out of side of the box. Now I'll copy this one. What happened? You watch. Then this is think out of the box is the challenge assumption and borrowing from other industries, image unlimited resource, work backward and combine unrelated ideas, ask what if you question for use random inspiration, pick a random words and object for connections to your challenges, think like someone else, remove a key element, generating first judge later. What happens if you take away from most of important part of the process? YouTube channels ideas. Instead of making another how to use AI video, turn AI tools into the game or challenges. Compare AI with human expert. Solve yours real problem live. Create AI-wise traditional method experimental. Build a series where each episode start yours impossible request. This is the ideas is given. The another generating creative ideas. Another prompt. I will paste this one. This is a content. YouTube is explain the complex topic using only a Lego and 60-second skill challenge. Can ChatGPT to this series create a video based viewers, business and AI power resume making service, personalized productivity coaching, digital templates, marketing place, micro online courses, tech troubleshooting, membership, AI automation consulting, subscription based prompt library, local businesses, setup service, YouTube thumbnail designer. The productivity ideas 15-minute daily focus challenge, no distraction workspace, and gamified habit tracking, weekly live dashboard, 2 minutes rest rotate. This creating thinking, solve the problem. This many AI project ideas also that, and bonus impossible ideas also. Possible ideas, and this way YouTube AI plus live viewers problem, education gaming this way. There's another fourth one, write a story idea, then click this. Write a story idea. The science fiction is the fantasy and mystery is thriller, horror, dramatic, which you content, and they paste that one is the adventure. This adventure. I will copy this one. What happened? You watch. Given this story, observe this. Total stories build up. This way, ChatGPT is very useful, everyone. The another option is creative character ideas. Then click creative fantastic character, scientific fiction character, mystery character, superhero character, and supernatural character, and unicorn character, and adventure character, AI technology character, inspire character. This many characters roles are there. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and like and comment. This is useful. Video is very useful, everyone. Thank you.